I'm from Naturally Green. Today I'll take you around to my garden and tell you how different products of Naturally Green can be used. In the different videos, we'll talk about different products that Naturally Green has, like organic manure, coco peat, vermicompost, Epsom salt, rock phosphate, silicon, boron, amino acid, for growth, seaweed granules, seaweed powder, humic powder. The different products, all organic, no chemical, that Naturally Green has. Quality is assured, and we are sure that customers are happy by using our products and they get the best outcome by using our product. You can see the live example in my own terrace garden, where I have around 600 to 700 plants in total. And from this small plant I keep adding different plants, make from the sapling I add again, make a plant, keep giving people, and they're very happy by using the organic products that we have. My plants are happy, and actually let me tell you, they talk to me. They express their feelings. It's very important to have this connect with your plant. Talk about neem powder. So what is the benefit of neem powder? How neem powder helps in the growth of the plant. If you see, this is what is neem powder. Neem powder is used as soil supplement, which enriches the soil and lowers nitrogen loss. Works as organic fertilizer as well as a natural The extract of neem seeds helps benefiting the insects not to be there in the plants. So when we're making the potting mix, or you're putting soil, if you add neem powder in the soil when you're making the potting mix, it will help protect the insects not coming, the mealybugs or the soil insects that are there in the plant. It will help stopping that or reducing that. And suppose if the plant is already potted, I don't know how, I have got getting a lot of insects or ants in the soil, then what we do is loosen up the soil everywhere. We just loosen up the soil and we start adding this. It protects the plants from getting affected by diseases. It is ideal for making garden or pot soil rich in nutrients. It also acts as a natural pesticide, fungicide, and as a pest control agent. So if you see, I have just mixed it, put it, loosen up the soil and mix it. It is derived from de-oiled neem seeds by cold pressing method to avoid overheating or loss of beneficial properties. It is used for gardening at the time of potting and is highly recommended method of keeping plants healthy and pest free. My plants are happy by the organic nutrients that they're receiving, and so am I. I'm sure you'll be happy using our products. Website is www.naturallygreenindia.com. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.